We're reviewing a solar-powered power bank light. It is a 240 LED light, 6,000 milliamps with 4 light modes. And this is the light. We're going to show you what the light is about. Horenom work light, solar-powered, battery-operated, 240 LEDs, 100 watts. What we're going to show you is what you get inside the box. It's a nice, compact size, solar-powered light. It's got the colors of orange and black with a nice solar panel, and you have a number of ways to hang and adjust. A charging USB-C cable to charge up for the first time or charge up via the solar. In this video demonstration, you're going to see when the light hits the solar panel, it starts to charge. Please remember to peel the insulation off. It is not needed. Protects from starting up and turning on during shipment. 25, 50, 75, 100% increments with the silicone door showing you the USB-C port and USB-A output port that you could charge portable devices as well. When first running the unit, please remember to peel all protective films off. The handle acts as a hanger. It can be adjusted. When charging in the sun, simply lay flat on the floor or place into the sun like so. We're going to charge our unit up first for the first time and allow the unit to complete its charge. While the unit is charging, the on button can be pressed. We are on the brightness level, medium level, low level, and SOS level. Great for camping. Has a light to walk around. We're going to demonstrate in the garage for car repairs. For those blackouts, a light is needed. We're going to find a spot and hang up and do our work. We're going to hang up and allow the unit to settle and do our car repair. This is the high mode, medium mode, low mode, and the emergency mode. For working in areas with no lights. And when you want hands-free lights to place on the floor and adjust and do your job. It is IP rated that you simply place into the daylight and allow to charge. Allow the unit to run your camera, turn on and charge. Or charge your batteries when you need so via the solar powered as a power bank. We'll demonstrate in the evening hours, showing you what the light looks like outdoors at night time. We're here in the back in the dock. We have the light lit up. And what we're going to do is go shine the light, show you the distance of the throw. It does. On the medium, the low, red and blue. Off. If we're working, need a light to go up the ladder or shining anywhere around, shining down on the floor, medium, low, back to high. Work light, solar powered with a power bank for your needs. I hope you enjoy your light if this is right for you.